Hi, my name is Kian Paulo Organte. I'm from White Creek, Ecuador. My hobby is swimming.
I attended Puerto Galera Academy for my high school education and became a member of the Campus Martial Force Club. I serve at church every Sunday and assist with campus activities to improve the school. I am also a pet lover. Actually, we have a pet and its name is Kiro. I also love to hang out with my cousins. We love road trips and these are a special bond that no one can break us. I deal with stressful situations by thinking carefully about those situations. I first calm myself by eating or sleeping so that my brain can calm down. I also play Mobile Legends because I believe that it can be more than just entertainment. It can also be a tool for personal development and problem solving enhancement.
Triple kill!
Other than that, I also do some TikTok videos because it can provide a mental break, reducing stress and allowing me to approach problem with a refreshed mind.
Every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.